Hi, Judd here. I don't know how far I'm going to get today, but the next thing I've got to do is get this tape residue off before I put on that final coat of Bondo. I went and got some new Bondo today because I found another spot down here I'm going to have to do, so I'm going to need more of it anyway. And this is the newly discovered area of rust at the front of the rear wheel well. And that's 2 layers thick there, so this front layer, this is gone. But there's also a back wall to it, so I can't just push in from the other side with the Bondo. This is a sandwich here. I'm going to have to put the peanut butter in there. Okay, so we're just going to clean that up a little. A lot of rust around here. A lot of rust around here. There's a main car. Now I know why they call them maniacs, huh? So, right now, I'm just going to get some tape residue off, clean it up, and use the WD-40. It's supposed to work. That's not bad. Huh. WD-40 ain't touching it. Okay, well, the WD-40 isn't touching it. It's probably baked on there too much now. So, we'll try a little rubbing alcohol. Oh, look at that. The rubbing alcohol's taking it right off. Wow, nice. Okay. Denatured alcohol. Son of a gun. Okay, which I was also going to use to clean the area anyway. That's good. Okay, now we'll give it one nice cleaning wipe, the whole area. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now if things go well, I got to build a pattern for here to lay the new Bondo in here because this flares out along the edge here a little bit. So I've got to have this come out a little bit, so I need something out here to run my pallet against. Okay, let's go over to the other side. Bigger area here because I covered this whole thing. Okay, that came off fairly easily. Appears to. I can still see signs of it. That's good. So now I can do some Bondo. Hello. Well, what I've done is I've taken a thin board and I've clamped it up in the wheel well with one of these at this end. And I'm just going to have to push it up here when I form. And it gives me the line, the outer edge line of this cutout. And so I can build the Bondo up to that when it comes to that time. So it's Bondo time. Got my Bondo knives, got my dipping stick, got my application knife. I go up there, got my can opener, and I got a new plastic thing instead of the wax paper. There's a plastic placemat with a very smooth side and a rough side. They're smooth on one side, rough on the other. So I've got the smooth side up. I don't want to give the Bondo anything to stick to on the placemat. And it's a lot stiffer than the wax paper. So hopefully that'll work out. I can knead up my cream hardener. They sell separate bottles of this, separate little tubes of this. Lovely sound of the lawn tractor in the background. That's par for the course around here. I think 50% of the man hours of labor in Florida are spent on grass. One way or another, huh? Oh, shit. Not on the shoes. It's already getting hard. Damn. Yep. Already gone bad. I got enough on there. That might do the job. There's a couple of little holidays on it. Here's the board I clamped into the wheel well to give me a guide for forming the Bondo to the shape I needed. And there you can see where I've done that. And I pushed up on this while I was doing it. Maybe there you can see the divots. That gives you an idea of where the smoothness is lacking. Across the middle it's pretty good, and then out here we got another divot. So those are areas that'll have to be filled in again. Okay, I'm gonna give that a few minutes. And we'll be back. I went back to the wax paper because the plastic sheet didn't work too good. The Bondo stuck to it. Remember, I got to fill up a divot in here. Ooh, I got that. For that batch. Okay, I used the putty knife to do a little shaping in there. Get this will close cleanly. I've got that rim pretty good. I've got a little gap here. But this, I gotta let that set up. And it's getting time. The football game is gonna come on any time now. So I'm gonna call it a wrap there for today. So, but we got major filling done on both sides, so now I've just got a couple little divots to fill. I've got the interior of the gas fill thing all filled up nicely, so I'm not going to have any more puddles in there, which is what caused this whole mess. And then, you know, we'll sand and finish it another day. Sand it down and then again fill divots. I can see right there, there's going to be a little divot, maybe right there. So, step by step. You know, if I was running an auto body shop, you'd have to do this all continuous in one day, but I'm not running an auto body shop. I'm an old man doing nothing. Happy day to you.